It is giveaway time yet again, and today we are going to Zumiez because I was not able to go to a local skate shop this month, but I've been reading all of your comments, and we're going to Zumiez to pick up a bunch of skate parts because what y'all wanted to see is a lot more giveaways or a lot more chances to win my giveaways, so that's what we're going to do. I did get to play in the snow, but I didn't like how the video turned out. So just canceled that, and that also ended up making it to where I can't go to a local skate shop. So I know, I'm sorry, y'all want to see local stuff. I want to see local stuff, just have not been able to do it. So Zumiez it is. Can't see it from here, but Kilo is back there. I just did that on some grip tape. They have all the Hunter stuff. That's awesome. But maybe I should have drawn this one. I don't know. I still like the one I did. Man, that's awesome. I want that poster. I might try to grab that from him. All right, what are we gonna get? Grab bearings. Cheaper set. Probably do this blue hardware because I like blue. I don't know if you guys like blue, but you're gonna get it. Some shorties. You guys need a skate tool. We'll get one skate tool for somebody. Oh, you know we've got to get this grip tape. Yep, I broke it. And of course we need to grab just a solid sheet of black grip. So let's just grab mauve because it is personally my favorite. Now we need to get some wheels. I just don't know what to get. We also need trucks for you guys, so I hope you guys are cool with tensors. Those are my favorite trucks, so I'm gonna grab a set of those and probably a set of another pair, I don't know. But wheels, probably grab like some Formula 4s and then something cheap like those Bone Tundras. Oh, hey, what's up guys? Blue wheels? Y'all cool with that? I'm cool with that, let's do that. Now we need to get some Formula 4 wheels. These are gonna look good on this grip if somebody wins both of those together. I don't know if I'm gonna do that. I might, we'll see. So we have my personal favorite trucks and tensors, but I know everybody else typically likes independents. So let's grab a set of independents. What size should we grab? I have no clue. 139s, they fit about an 8, so I think that should be fine. All right, 2 139s. All right, I think that's good on accessories. That's pretty much all I can afford. I might grab one deck that we all have an actual deck too. I've got all of these choices to choose from. There's honestly not that much, but I have no clue what to get. I kind of want to do Santa Cruz for y'all, but I'm also trying to keep it unbiased. I don't know if that's possible. I'm pretty biased when it comes towards skating. You know what? They have an almost board, and this was one of my #1 favorite companies a long time ago. So again, I'm going to be biased. Like I said, I wasn't going to be, but I'm going to be, and we're going to do an almost deck. So here's everything we're giving away, not including the grip tape that's right there, the 2 sheets. I am so excited for you guys. This is going to be so awesome. I hope you guys like this video, because this is going to be expensive. I guess I can do this. I still remember how to do everything. Do you think they'd care? They probably care.
Not tapping.
Changing the roles. Making Zumiez pay for my stuff.
Reversal. He's gonna peg me.
We took them and put them behind the red stick for a lesson.
Yeah. Was that too inappropriate?
No. Well, we've got grip, we've got deck, we've got everything else in my backpack. I'm really excited for this giveaway for y'all guys. Like, giving away this much at once, I don't think has been done before on my channel, besides the 15 decks that we gave away. Still, I think this one's gonna be really, really, really cool. So I hope you guys enjoy. I've gotta go back to the house and unpackage everything and get it all ready to go. But yeah, this is gonna be awesome. And I'm so glad that I'm able to do this for you guys. Well, here is all of that Then I've got the grip there and the board and the other grip. I think it's time to officially tell you how you're going to enter this giveaway, because it's going to be a little bit different from the last ones. Still the same thing, you still have to be subscribed, you still have to like the video, and you still have to comment. The only thing that's changing is within the comment section. I need you to leave a comment on what you want to win. So for example, if you want to win one of these wheels, I need you to comment, I want to win wheels, or this video was awesome, wheels, I don't care. It just needs to have the word wheels in it. For the set of trucks, there's two different options, just like the wheels. I need you to leave a comment saying trucks, or your videos are awesome, trucks. Again, I don't care. I just need to have whatever you want to win in the comment section, because it's going to be selected from that specific word. If you want to win everything, just say everything. That way I know what to kind of give you based off of what's left over. Same thing if you don't know what you want to win, just leave a comment saying trucks, wheels, bearings, hardware, deck, grip, pretty much whatever builds a skateboard. Just leave a comment with those specific words, because it's going to be generated randomly with those specific words. That's the only thing that's different about this giveaway from the last ones. It's just going to be based off of what you want to win. But regardless, I think this is absolutely incredible and amazing. We have pretty much enough to build a whole complete and plus another one without the deck. And I'm giving away all of this. One winner's gonna get a set of trucks, another winner's gonna get a set of trucks, another one's gonna get a set of wheels, another one's gonna get a set of wheels, set of bearings, skate tool, hardware. We got one sheet of grip. Second sheet of grip is right here. This one, if the winner wants me to customize their grip like I did for the Kilo grip or for the Hinata grip, and I've got one more that's going to be released in another video. That's Rock Lee. So you guys haven't seen this in a video yet. It's coming probably after this video. I'm also doing Naruto. These are both commissioned. So if you wanted me to do a custom grip for you like that, I could definitely do that free of charge. Other than that, if you would like a custom sheet of grip done by me, I am actually going to host those on, or post those on my my website, keegancotm. They're just going to be $20 for me to design grip, and I just need you to message me on Instagram. So DM me or comment on one of my posts, letting me know what grip you want, and then you'll just have to check out on my website, keegancotm, and we can get you a custom set of grip tape, or a custom sheet of grip tape. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoy today's video. I had a lot of fun making it. It's been a while since I've been back in Zumiez, and I really enjoyed just going there and kind of shopping and feeling like I'm still an employee, even though I'm not an employee. If you guys didn't know, I used to be the store manager of that specific store, and I do miss it a lot, but I am grateful that I'm able to still go there and shop and give as much back to you all as possible. And I'm really excited for this giveaway. I think it's going to be awesome and amazing, and it's going to help out a lot of you. So that's pretty much the point, is just to help out as many people as possible and to kind of grow skateboarding in general. So if I get to help grow it, and you guys get to sit back and just watch some awesome content and get free stuff, then awesome. That's kind of the plan, it's kind of the goal. I know it's not much, but I'm doing what I can to help you guys out. So I hope you guys really, really appreciate it. If you do, make sure you subscribe to the channel. One, because that's how you enter the giveaway, but two, that really helps out the content, really helps out the channel. Make sure you're liking the videos, and make sure you're commenting on the videos as well. Pretty much anything you can do to try and fix this YouTube algorithm, or be compatible with the YouTube algorithm, really helps me out a lot. And I really, really appreciate you guys. Normally I wouldn't talk about the YouTube algorithm because I'm just doing this for fun and I really enjoy it, but I know that my content, I would say, is pretty good for the most part. Sometimes it's not that great, and I apologize, but I really enjoy making content for you guys, and it's just been really hard to get the content out there. So I really appreciate it. I know I've already said it, but you guys are awesome, so I appreciate you. Thank you guys so much for coming back to the channel. That's it for today's video. Again, I hope you enjoyed. Best of luck to everybody who enters this giveaway. Okay, that's it. I'll see y'all in the next one. Stay awesome, guys. Later. Oh, that was easy. Wow.